Understanding parentheses in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the world of punctuation, specifically focusing on parentheses. These little symbols are more than just curves on a page. They play a significant role in how we understand and construct sentences. So, let's unravel the mystery of parentheses together. Parentheses are a pair of curved symbols used in writing. They are like soft whispers in a sentence, providing additional information without interrupting the main flow. Imagine them as a side note or an aside that offers extra details or clarifications. The use of parentheses can vary, but their primary purpose is to include information that is helpful but not essential to the main point. Parentheses can be used in several contexts. 1. To provide additional information or clarification that is not crucial to the main sentence. 2. For numbers or letters in a list, especially within academic or technical texts. 3. To introduce acronyms, where the acronym is placed in parentheses after the full term is written out. 4. In informal writing, to include personal comments or asides that add a conversational tone. Using parentheses impacts the structure of your sentence. Importantly, the sentence should still make sense if the information inside the parentheses is removed. This is a key rule to remember. Always read your sentence without the parentheses content to ensure it remains complete and understandable. Let's look at some examples. 1. We decided to visit the museum, which was surprisingly empty, on Tuesday. 2. The committee, including 3 new members, agreed on the proposal. 3. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, is a type of cancer. Notice how removing the parentheses still leaves a coherent and complete sentence. Be cautious of these common mistakes. Overusing parentheses can disrupt the flow of your writing. Placing crucial information only within parentheses risks it being overlooked. Forgetting to close a parenthesis creates confusion and disrupts readability. I hope this video has shed light on the use and importance of parentheses in English. Remember, they are not just decorative symbols. They hold significant power in shaping our sentences and conveying our messages. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your punctuation skills.